How to cancel or delete a Roblox private server in 2025. So if you want to cancel or delete a Roblox private server, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Roblox application, or you can also open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to log into your Roblox. Now, once you're here, go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with the inventory section. And then you need to scroll down and navigate to the private servers section. And I'll go with my private servers. And here you need to scroll up and you will find your private servers. You want to choose whatever private server that you want to delete. Like for me, example, let's delete the first one. So if you want to delete the private server, just click on the private server that you would like to delete. And you can just simply scroll down into private server. Now you just want to click on the 3 dots, which will be on the right side. And then you will have a configure option. You need to click on configure. And then you want to scroll down. And if you want to delete it, you need to make sure that this is turned off, which is allow joining. And if you turn this off, you will cancel your Roblox private server. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.